Magix Music Maker 2020 Premium Edition. More sounds, more possibilities. Simply create music software for easy drag and drop song production with sounds and loops. Customizable audio software. Choose sounds, loops, instruments and features worth a total of $910. Recording. Play instruments via mouse or keyboard and record vocals. Edit music and finalize your tracks. Mixing and mastering with professional effects. Outstanding sound. Pro Audio Engine and multi-core support for complex projects. More sounds, more possibilities. Music Maker Premium Edition. Even more creative possibilities for easy music production with thousands of sounds and loops and a huge range of instruments and effects. Start producing your own hits. Music Maker, the music software that you build the way you want. 1 sound pool collection and 3 sound pools of your choice. 8 VST instruments of your choice. 9 feature pack. 6 freely selectable, for example wide range of effects or 5.1 surround sound. All premium features, for example Core FX effects, Ozone Elements and SoundForge Audio Studio. Product Description Edition, Premium Music Maker 2020 Premium Edition. Easily make music and produce. Simply drag and drop to combine sounds and loops from all genres. Record VST instruments using mouse or standard or USB keyboard and record your melodies as well as vocals and rap lines. Mix and master tracks with professional effects and tools. Exclusively in Music Maker Premium Edition. Mastering tool Isotope Ozone 8 elements, 8 new effects, plus the audio editor that can do it all. SoundForge Audio Studio 12. Customize your version of Music Maker the way you want and select the perfect loops, instruments and functions for your needs. Minimum system requirements: Microsoft Windows 7 810, 2 GHz processor, 2 GB RAM, internal sound card, min resolution 1280x768, 700 GB or more for program installation. Internet connection required for registering and validating the program, as well as for some program functions. This program requires a one-time registration. Click the link in the description for more details and discounts. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.